Are you planning to implement Odoo into your organization but sitting overwhelmed thinking of the number of modules present in Odoo? Then don't worry, I'm here to help you. As you all know, inside Odoo, we have modules like the sales, CRM, purchase, and so much more, right? So you don't have to use every module from day one onwards. There's nothing like that. As you and your business grows, only then you can, develop the Odoo ecosystem. So in this video, I'll help you to choose which all modules you guys need based on your business requirement. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So why does choosing the right module matters? The thing is, once you are starting a business, if you are having zero ideas about the software, you'll be thinking of buying the entire software and using it. There is nothing like that. Like, you don't have to do it. The very first thing is Odoo is modular, which means you don't have to buy the entire ecosystem for your organization to work. Based on what your requirement and need is, like what your business's requirement and need is, based on that you can select the modules, and then as your business grows you can grow with along with Odoo. Okay, so as your business grows, your needs and requirements will also increase. So obviously, to manage everything you will be in need of separate modules, and in that case only you will have to install separate modules. The very first step is to identify what your business challenge is. Like, before selecting Odoo, you have to ask certain questions within. What are those questions? Like, what your basic need is, what is your reason for getting Odoo. Now there might be different challenges for different organization, it differs, right? So there will be people who are struggling to manage the customers. Now how to manage these invoices, how to manage the stock, the inventory, everything. Like, there are situations which are different for different organization. There might be common, crisis, there might be different crises. So you have to keep in mind what your actual challenge is. So once you get a clear question about what your challenge is, then we'll keep on searching for the solution. So if you are having a challenge, like you are actually struggling to manage the customer, then find a solution for that. So here in Odoo, if you are just taking that simple example, you can actually manage your customers in a very discreet way. Like, we have a separate area for that. For if you are looking forward to manage the contacts, then we have the contacts module to manage that. So make sure you have a proper question about what challenge you are facing, and then let's search for what all modules suit your challenges. Next step is to choose the modules based on what your business need is. So there might be a lot of industries right now. There are a lot of industries right now. We have the medical field, we have supermarkets, hypermarkets, we have hospital management. So needs of a supermarket and a hospital will be completely different. So if you are taking a supermarket, you will need modules like the sales, the purchase, the inventory, the invoicing, and all such things. So like, in that case, you will have to manage all these things. Now, there is nothing like, if any organization, they only need the HR softwares to manage their employees. So for them, they don't need the sales, purchase and all, right? So based on your needs, you will get a customized, you will get a conclusion of what all modules you need. So that's what I'm talking about. If you are choosing, or if you are someone coming under a supermarket, let's simply take an example, okay? So if it's a supermarket, obviously you will be in need of, you will have to manage the inventory. For that, you can use the inventory module. Then you have the sales, the purchase. For accounting and all, you can use the accounting module, where you can manage the vendor bills and the customer bill. So likewise, you can choose the module based on what your industrial need is. Step number 3 is you don't have to install every module until and unless you need them. A lot of people do that. Like, they take a lot of modules and they'll think like, okay, I'll use this in future. Don't do that, okay? Modules are actually for solving your problems. So you don't have to, have a vision of you are going to have a problem in future and then for that you need this module. There is nothing like that. Just sit and consider what your issues are and only install the modules which are required right now at present, which are valid. Your valid problems should be solved. So what all modules are valid, install that for now, and then after resolving it, and once another issue comes, then let's go for the other modules. So talking about the Odoo ecosystem, as I said before, it's a huge thing, okay? Like, it's an all-in-one platform. Suppose if you are in need of your employee management, that comes under the HR modules, where we have the employees, the recruitment, managing everything, like from hiring an employee to the till that employee leaves the organization, you can manage everything using the HR modules. Similar to that, if you are a manufacturing company, you have separate modules for managing the manufacturing, the maintenance, the planning and everything. If you are starting an online store or something, for that you can use the website, the e-commerce and all such things. Even you have the POS module. Like, not, I don't think that in a hospital is in need of POS, right? So it differs from what your industry is. Okay, so based on your industry. Now, if you want to manage the finance, for that we have a very huge accounting module. Along with that, if you want to manage the inventory, you can, or your stock, you can use this inventory module where you can manage the warehouses and all such things. Similar to that, we have the sales where you can manage the sales, the customers, the invoices, all such things. And similar to that, we have the purchase where you can manage the vendors, the bills and the products. So it is different fields. This is not it. Okay, we have still a lot of modules. If you are working under any kind of project, for that also we have this project management where you have things like project planning, timesheet and all, which are different modules. So whatever your need is, based on that you can actually switch or use between the modules and choose between the modules. That's the right word to, explain what it is. So that is it. Make sure you analyze what your actual need is, or what your actual problem is, or what your actual challenge is. So once you have analyzed what you are actually facing, then it will be easy for you all to choose what module to use and what not to use. Not every module is built for everyone. Only install and use what is required for you, and that is going to change a lot of what you are doing. So that's a best practice, okay? So I hope that was clear for you all. If you have any doubts regarding, selection of the modules, please do comment down below. I'll be happy to help you guys. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.